Today we're going to dive in deep at the benefits and uses of nettle leaf tea. Now, I've talked about nettle leaf in quite a deep sense in a couple of other videos that I've made on the channel, and I've dived in deep on the scientific benefits as well as some of the studies made on nettle that prove its wonderful uses and effects on our body. Now, in today's video, I'm going to dive in deep on the nettle leaf and the benefits of the tea itself, as well as a couple of different tips and hacks on how to brew your perfect cup without the taste and the bitterness associated with nettle as well, and how you can be able to minimize that and still enjoy the wonderful benefits of nettle. And we're diving deep into nettle tea, which is basically a herbal concussion that's created quite a buzz in the herb and health community. So if you're curious about its remarkable benefits and how to brew your perfect cup, you are in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order to stay tuned on all our new videos. Now, nettle leaf is often underestimated. It is a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties, and this wonderful herb, which might be as large as a pillow, holds the key to addressing various health concerns. It's rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, vitamin C, A, K, and several other B vitamins. It also has wonderful essential elements that your body craves. Now let's look at the top benefits of consuming this tea on a daily basis. First of all, it is a natural blood cleanser. It is renowned as the top herb for blood cleansing. Its historical use in treating ailments like gout, arthritis, and muscle pain, as well as anemia, is backed by its high iron content. And one way to maximize its iron content is to squeeze a half fresh lemon on top of the warm tea. Make sure you don't squeeze it on top of hot tea, because the heat does kill the vitamin C. It is also a natural remedy for combating iron deficiency, and the best way to take it is not as a tea. The best way to take it is as a grinded powder in a capsule. You can fill an empty capsule with grinded nettle leaf powder and add in some source of vitamin C, or take it with a source of vitamin C such as orange juice, or you can also use any other source of vitamin C with the capsule in order to maximize its benefits in terms of helping to reduce iron deficiency and boost iron in the body. Another use that I personally used myself, as well as used for my younger son when he was battling seasonal allergies, is for helping to reduce seasonal allergies and cold relief. Now, if you suffer from seasonal allergies or frequently catch colds, nettle leaf can be your savior. It is packed with vitamins, packed with minerals. It strengthens your immune system. It helps you combat allergies and recover from colds much more faster as well. Now, for my son, I did use the nettle leaf tincture, a glycerin-based nettle leaf tincture. You can make it at home. You can also buy it from your local health food store, and it worked perfectly for him. I even did a video talking about his experience using nettle. Also, the third benefit of consuming nettle, especially the tea, is for prostate health. Now, for those dealing with an enlarged prostate, nettle leaf does offer many benefits as well as relief. Its natural properties work wonders in helping to reduce symptoms and promote general prostate health. Another thing is for its antioxidant boost. Now, we're all looking for antioxidant sources, and nettle leaf is loaded with antioxidants that work to fight off harmful free radicals, reducing triglycerides in your blood and also enhancing good cholesterol. This not only aids in cardiovascular health, but it also supports your overall well-being. Now, here's how to brew your perfect cup. Now let's start to talk about how you can incorporate this wonderful herbal elixir into your daily routine. And I'm going to start off with a simple step-by-step to get you started. First of all, start with a teaspoon of dried nettle leaf. Place it in your teapot or your mug. Another thing is you can heat up 8 ounces of water until it's hot but not boiling. Pour it gently over the nettle leaves, allowing them to steep, and let your nettle leaves steep with the warm water for about 10 minutes, and this time allows the herbs to release their goodness into the water, creating a flavorful and potent infusion. Now you can go ahead and sweeten in whatever flavor you like as well. Any source of natural vitamin C would be amazing. Maybe also a little juice of lemon would be perfect for that, or adding some frozen berries into your wonderful tea to make it into a cold tea, perfect for the summertime as well. And then you would strain the tea to remove the leaves. Now, if your strainer has larger holes, consider using a cheesecloth in order to ensure a smooth leaf-free experience. Your nourishing cup of nettle leaf is ready to be enjoyed. Sip it slowly. Also, understand that it is wonderful for your body as a blood cleanser. My favorite way to use nettle tea is to create a large amount of tea overnight. I would use cold water or warm water on double the amount of nettle leaf in a large glass jar. Close it tightly, allow it to infuse overnight for up to 8 hours, and then in the morning I will strain, I will add in whatever flavors, and I will store in the fridge. For the children, it's best that in my personal experience, I just add it to their morning smoothie. That way I would ensure that they would get the nutrients without adding any heat that would take away the vitamin C as well as some other nutrients that way. So there you have it. This is your nettle tea benefits and uses. Just be creative with nettle tea. If you don't like the taste, if you don't like the smell of it, you can also try nettle leaf tincture. That way a glycerin based would be amazing for that. You can also grind your nettle leaf into fine powder and add to capsules that way in order to avoid the bitterness and the smell of nettle. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.